Now see, in this question, obtain the binding energy of the nucleus 26 Fe56 iron nucleus. Also calculate binding energy per nucleon. You are given all these things here. So see here, iron has got 56 mass number, 26 atomic number. So number of proton, you know, number of protons are 26 and number of neutrons are 56 minus 26, here that is 30. So now we can calculate here mass defect by knowing all these things here. So when we calculate mass defect, we can calculate here delta M is equal to 26 into 1.007825 plus 30 into 1.008665 minus 55.934939. This will be coming into U, that is unit atomic mass unit. And when we subtract it by solving, we will be getting 0.528461 U. This is the mass defect over here, delta M. We know it, energy 1 U is equal to 931.5 mega electron volt. So we can write E is equal to 0.528461 into 931.5 mega electron volt. So we can multiply this and get the total energy. The total energy will be coming out to be 492.3 mega electron volt. It is approximately. Now we have to calculate binding energy per nucleon also. So binding energy per nucleon, we can write binding energy per nucleon, that is here E by A, that is a mass number. So we can write 492.3 divided by 56 mega electron volt. This will be coming out to be approximately 8.8 mega electron volt. So this is the binding energy per nucleon.